Well, my second biggest moneymaker in 2024 is what I'm about to show you, okay? This opportunity can work for just about any business as long as your business is online, okay? Now, you can tell I'm a big fan of LiveGood. I'm wearing my LiveGood hat here. And I'd like to show you a little bit about LiveGood, but then I want to show you how I use a website to put LiveGood inside, and I sell other things that complement LiveGood. And those other things, it's like shining some beautiful sunshine on a brand new seed, or giving a brand new little baby, all right, baby LiveGood, all right, some love, milk, maybe some baby formulas, pretty nice, okay? But no matter what, if you have an online business, you need leads, you need views, you need people to just visit, maybe, hopefully, get out that credit card and purchase. Maybe they use Bitcoin, who knows? All right, but you want to sell something, okay? And the only way you're going to do it is by getting attention and having websites set up that are in turnkey mode, and they already have credit card processing, customer service, and year after year of successful results, okay? I now can say that I've been very successful with this company about a year and a half. I've pulled in quite a bit of money with this company by using their skills, their tools, their education. And even right now, as I produce this video, I got to look at my computer, September 29th of 2024. I am still currently #1, even this month, as far as recruiting and getting people, hopefully, to buy and see what I do with this opportunity. Okay, I'll just keep my fingers crossed, all right, and hope it all goes good with what I'm about to show you. Okay, all right, boom, boom. Let's share the screen right now. First thing I want you to do is to go to pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay, I own that domain. This is what's going to pop up. I just simply want you to watch this video. It's a short YouTube video. It's well done. It's interesting. It's entertaining. But that is it. And if you join this opportunity, I want you to do exactly what I'm showing you right now. Inviting people to a link. Now, I own pleasewatchvideo.com, but I want you to go to GoDaddy and buy your own domain and forward to this page here, all right, and have people just go on a little journey, watch the video, and if they want to go inside, click here to earn big. They'll click this little button, and you're not joining anything yet. You're just getting information about what I'm showing you. But the video is doing all the recruiting, all the training. It talks about the service, the opportunity, the product, okay? Now, pleasewatchvideo.com. I do things in baby steps. Okay, if you want to join, and if you do join, I'm going to show you what it looks like and what this opportunity can do, especially if you have one or two online businesses now that need people, eyeballs, attention, clicks. Okay, so let's go on a little journey. This is what the multiple income funnel website looks like. Okay, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 opportunities, 4 things for sale that can get you leads, views, education on how to make money online. Okay, now the first income stream is multiple income funnel. That is this funnel system I'm showing you right now. Okay, the second one is Legacy Builders Program. This is another opportunity that I'm involved in, and you can put anything you'd like in income stream number 2 and 3 that I'm showing you on this screen. What I do is I upload a YouTube video to Legacy Builders Program, and then I also put in LiveGood right here in income stream number 3. And if you join, there's video that shows you how to do this, but you have to have 2 opportunities to fill in stream 2 or 3. And if you have no idea about what you should be doing, I hope that I can show you the several income streams that I have to generate a substantial amount of money each month. Now, I can't promise you this, but I'll tell you what, if you join, I'm going to send you exactly what I do to be successful with this opportunity. Okay? Legacy Builders Program. Okay, it's very simple. You just simply go to the900group.com and you can watch this video right here with Michelle. Okay? Then if you want to go ahead and join Live Good, you just go to joincory.com and you can see right there. Okay, people go to that website or they can watch this YouTube video right here. And if they want to join, you can see sign up today. Okay, now Traffic Authority is income stream number 4. It is the Harvard University, in my opinion, of online education, where you can buy clicks, leads, traffic, call it what you want, but you can also buy educational courses from them as well. So income stream 1 and 4 are locked in with this multiple income stream funnel. Okay, you need to fill in stream 2 or 3. And if you've already got some opportunities, then you can put those in income stream 2 and 3. But like I said, if you have no idea about what to join and what's working, and all I can tell you is everything I do in September, almost October of 2024 are working for me. I've got a total of 5 incomes online. Okay, all 5 are working and they work really well. Okay, the beauty about 5 incomes is that if 1 or 2 goes away, or if, I don't know, just something happens, the website blows up or a dog eats it, I still got 4 incomes. Even if a second one dries up, I still have 3 incomes. And there's always going to be 1 or 2 incomes online that are probably worth pursuing. So just to repeat, what I do is I go and go to GoDaddy and I buy a domain name. Okay. And in my case, I bought pleasewatchvideo.com. It was available. I bought it. I love the name because I always say please watch video in almost all my videos. I say it an insane amount of times. So I went ahead and bought the domain name and I love it. You can see I built a, well, let me, I'll show you what the business card looks like. I make them real simple. Just look in the center of your screen. That is not my thumb, by the way. Pleasewatchvideo.com. Okay. And then I forward it to the palm tree picture that you can see right here. Now, guys, this opportunity has a whole bunch of capture pages like this. I just like the beach. This one has generated a lot of money for me. So if you want to use this exact page, go ahead. All right. And when people click this and lock in, this company has a 45-day email autoresponder, meaning for 45 days, they'll send out a nice email for them to join this opportunity. And if you want to opt out, all you do is go to the bottom of the web of that, the email and just opt out. But isn't it nice to know that if you join this opportunity, they've got their own marketing system, they got their own customer support, and that goes for Traffic Authority and the Multiple Income Funnel. Both are owned by the same company. All the video production is taken care of, all the educational videos, the product, the website is all maintained. All you got to do is find yourself a nice domain name. Boom. And what I do is have GoDaddy forward to this exact link right here that I highlighted at the top of your page. Everything else is done. There's nothing left for me to do. Okay? But you got to get real good at taking action, because I can't beg you. I can't do a million videos and you just sit and watch these darn things. Just join. Just join. Get in while the getting's good. I'm really good at this, guys. I've been number 1 in this company, I think 5 out of 6 months. You can see right now that I'm currently number 1. All right. And this is just the top 200 out of 100,000 people. What I do is I make things simple. Okay. And that's how I'm able to get to the number 1 slot here on their price contest. Okay. So let's just go back to the fundamentals. There are 4 income streams within one website when you join this opportunity. You can put whatever you'd like in 2 and 3. But please get a hold of me if you don't have no idea. I'm going to suggest what I think you should do, because I'm kicking butt right now and I want you to too. Okay. Disclaimer, disclaimer, of course. Because when you guarantee or talk about money, you got to have a disclaimer saying that, hey, you know what? You might make money, you might not. But all I can tell you is things are going really good right now. September 29th of 2024 as I produce this video. Okay, here we go, guys. That's it. All right. Go to pleasewatchvideo.com and then simply watch this video and get a hold of me if you have any questions. I'm not shy. I've had the same email and cell phone 40 years. Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email. And I hope you join, because, boy, I'll tell you what, there's a lot of money that can be made with this opportunity. You can make 50 bucks, 200 bucks, 500 bucks. You can make $1,000 a day just by people joining this system. Then they might join LiveGood or Legacy or any other program that you might have. Okay. And then if they buy Traffic Authority Education, guys, that's an affiliate too. You can earn money off the clicks that people buy, the traffic. And if they buy any type of course, you can earn affiliate fee too. Okay. 4 incomes with 1 click. That's why this opportunity is so effective for me. Okay. Please watch video.com. My work is done. And you guys have a great day. All right. And watch some more of my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.